welcome May. What is it that the position in the family is so different? Young sister, oh by the way, welcome May, welcome to the stream. Young sister says I left her too much alone. Big sister says she always struggles with the parents. And I, the middle, did so my best to please all. So, your parents, first of all, have learned through, like, they have three children, and after the first one, they learned a lot of things, and then they applied it to you, and then after you, they learned a lot of things through mistakes, and then they applied it to the younger sister. So, like, parenting is not easy, and nobody knows how to do it until you actually have a child. And that's why children are gonna be different. You and your younger sister, your older sister, and that's like, our parents are idiots. Our parents don't know what they're doing. And their parents didn't know what the fuck they were doing. And we will know a little bit better, hopefully. Younger sister says I leave her too much alone. Okay, so the younger sister is craving craving a little bit of that attention from an older sister, and the big sister says she always struggles with the parents. Yeah, that's because she's the first one. She got all the initial trauma from your parents, and you are the middle. And yeah, if you do your best to please everyone, you're not gonna please everyone, and you're just gonna burn yourself out. You have to fill up your cup first, and understand that you can't fix your parents. You also can't help everyone if they're not willing to help themselves. So depends on a lot of things, you know, on your character, on the character of your younger sister, character of your older sister. It depends on, like, your parents and the financial situation and what they're like. Maybe they had different jobs when they had you and when they had the older and the younger one. So, like, spend time with your younger sister, but not so much that you go over your own boundaries. Not so much that it's a chore, that it's like, oh, I have to do this. No, you don't. No, you don't. You are doing it out of love. You're doing it out of love. And the big sister, yeah, she struggles with the parents. Yeah, she's the big sister. She's the big sister. She has the most responsibility from all of you three. She had to babysit you when you were growing up, and then she had to babysit your parents when they didn't know what the fuck they were doing. And she got, yeah, like I said, she got all the initial ignorance of the parents. Yeah. Don't try to please everyone. Put yourself first, exactly. Give love to everyone, but you gotta give love to yourself. And sometimes giving love to yourself means saying no. Even though it's your sister. Even though it's your sister, like your closest blood relative and your parents, you gotta say, like, Like, I need time for me, I need you to listen to me, I need you to respect me. Subscribe, like, leave a comment, share your story below. Check out my audio courses, Human Design, Basics, Intermediate, Projector Masterclass, other Human Design that will come out. Check out the Elemental Balancing audio course. They're all available on the Insight Timer app, where you are also invited to join the course classroom. In there, you can ask questions and get direct voice messages from me, and also engage with other students, share your feedback and insights, and further your learning. For one-on-one human design coaching and psychotherapy, send an inquiry through the website. Join us on the Insight Timer live sessions where we do fascia and qigong stress release classes. Check out my art and merch web shop full of my original designs ready to be printed on shirts, notebooks, and many other products. Download my free ebooks and join my newsletter to stay connected and get updates and content in your email. Everything mentioned is available at icreatelines.com. Peace, health, and abundance.